The future used to feel distant, something that would just happen to us, a destination we were expected to reach but never taught how to shape. We were told to study hard, to choose a course, to pass exams, but no one asked us, who do you want to become? For many of us, the future feels like an alarm clock. It keeps ringing, reminding us of responsibilities, expectations, and pressure.
Gising, may class pa tayo. May plano ka ba today?
Ewan, basta papasok.
Hindi ka ba napapagod sa basta na lang?
We attend classes, we memorize lessons, but no one teaches us how to imagine who we are becoming.
Futures thinking is about shaping the future, not waiting for it. Ikaw, ano pangarap mo?
Sa wakas natin matuklasan pabalik kung saan di na natagpuan ang mga matang nakatanaw sa umpisa ng yugtong di na sana naisulat pa simula sa wakas natin matuklasan pabalik kung saan di na natagpuan ang mga matang nakatanaw sa umpisa ng yugtong di na sana naisulat pa sa lahat ng pahingang sinulat ng tadhana.
Futures thinking is not about predicting tomorrow. It's about understanding today, imagining better options, and taking steps to shape a future we actually want.
Maybe the problem was never the future. Maybe it was me. What if I stop asking, what will happen to me? And start asking, what will I make happen? Futures thinking did not give me answers. It gave me responsibility. It made me realize that every small decision is a vote for the person I am becoming. We carry fears. Fear of failure, fear of disappointing our parents, fear of choosing the wrong path. Before, I thought the future was something to be afraid of. Now, I see it as something to prepare for.
When did you realize you could shape your own future?
I realized
I could shape
my future and I failed my first major exam.
I thought
It was the end.
but it was not.
It was feedback.